As a result of Baykon load cell's digital communication feature, the faulty load cell is detected instantly and the operator is warned. Provides fast and easy calibration at initial installation and load cell replacement. As a result of digital technology, in case of digital load cells failure, Baykon digital load cell instruments provide non-stop weighing by simulating the faulty load cell. Thanks to fast maintenance, practical calibration and powerful communication features, reduce your operational risks and increase your efficiency.